Hello, good morning to you all. Today we'll see how we can install any external font which is not defaultly available in our computer. For example, this is the font which is called Ziomara, which I have just installed here. If you check, this is the paint application. If you click on the scroll down, these are all the default fonts which are available when you install. So this is the font what I have installed, which I have downloaded from the internet and I have installed. I'll show you the procedure how you can install any new font to your computer. So it's very simple here. Just uh, open your browser and Google and fonts download or something like that, whatever it may be, free fonts. Let us choose any website. If you have an idea of the fonts which is particular, you can search by that name. For example, Ziomora font what I have shown here, so you can search with the name itself. So what is this? Okay, metal. Okay, what I'll do is I'll download this one, TrashCO. So I'll download this. If you check here, you won't find the TrashCO here. Start download. I'll check that here. Before opening that, under T you can find there is no such font here. I'll just open the folder, download folder. I'll install this particular font what I have just downloaded. And once it is successfully installed, you'll get the option here. If I scroll down here, you'll see the option there. So this is my download folder. I'll extract this here. Extract here. So this is the font. Double click on it. Just click on install. This is very simple. We can do just within a minute, and we'll get a new font to our computer. So it's taking a bit of time. I'll get back to you once it is installed. So here it is just installed. So we'll check whether we get the option to write in that font. Just click on the drop down, whether it may be your paint or MS Word or MS Excel, whatever it may be, wherever you get the option here, TrashCO. I'll select that and hello, what are you doing? I hope you really like this tutorial. If you really like this, please share it to your friends so others maybe will be get to know how to install a new font to their computer or laptop or whatever it may be. So I think this is very useful. That's why I have shown this tutorial to you. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day. I hope you share this video.